Hello, welcome back to my channel BaoGN. Today, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube short videos not playing. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. First, hold down the YouTube app and select App Info. Here you will see the Clear Data button. If you can't find it, you can go to the Storage section. Click on Clear Data and select Clear All Data. Now we can check if YouTube short videos are working properly. Wish you success.